and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to speak on replica handbags. Yes, speaking on replica handbags again, and these Instagram, Facebook, Google consignment shops that are out here. I am not against consignment shops, but yes, I am still against purchasing replica handbags and selling replica handbags. Before we get started, please view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Before we get started with the video, let's go over the handbag of the day. Handbag of the day goes to my beautiful LV reverse monogram vanity PM. You guys know how much I love reverse monogram, so this was the perfect handbag to take out today. I love the top handle, which is absolutely my favorite part of the handbag because you can easily add a bandeau and it brings out so much in this handbag. I love the double zipper with the lock here. I love that it has gold hardware feet at the bottom. And of course, it's reverse monogram with no vachetta. And I absolutely love the crossbody strap. It is not adjustable, but it is detachable. So you can easily add the pochette Matisse reverse monogram strap or just the monogram strap if you want to add some length. So this is the beautiful handbag of the day. And for some reason, I just love that it's the lighter, you know, the lighter print here at the top. I don't know. This is just the perfect handbag. And so this was the handbag of the day. And let me not forget, as you guys can see, gold hardware. So the beautiful handbag of the day goes to my reverse monogram Louis Vuitton vanity PM. Okay, so guys, let's move on to this tea. I wasn't going to bring it up because I have already spoke on this channel about replica handbags. Some of you guys agree with me and some of you guys don't. And some of you just basically, hey, you mind your business, which I honestly feel that way, but I still have to voice my opinion. I am against replica handbags as a business owner myself, but just in general, you are taking money. I don't care how much the business is making, you are still, it's stealing, guys, period. Okay, I don't like it, especially having, I hate speaking on it, but it's like slavery to the children that are actually in these sweatshops making these replica handbags. And like I say, I hate speaking on that because I just think about me having kids. But long story short, I don't agree with replica handbags. I don't agree with the enslaving of the children making these handbags in these sweatshops. So that's it. That's how I feel. You might not like it. It is what it is, okay? But I wasn't going to tell this story because I was minding my business. But when I went into the boutique, guys, I told you recently I went in just to have my Speedy 25 monogram bandolier checked out because I am thinking about having it repaired. So I'm sitting up there basically waiting for the next CA to be available. You know, they write your name down, let you browse around until the CA is, you know, ready to speak with you. My CA was not there. I'm just basically going in for a repair. A young lady, she came in. She had, guys, the LV bag, you know, the LV bag that we get once we purchase. She came to the counter because I was there looking at SLGs, and she came to the counter. She brought out the box, basically letting them know, this is what this woman said. I don't know. I didn't even know LV does this, okay? I don't even know if they do. But I was basically trying to mind my good old business. That's it. This came to me because she was next to me. So I'm looking straight and looking down, but I can't help that my ears were listening on the side of me. I can't help that, okay? Their ears. They have to listen. They have to hear. That's it. So she came in and she took out her things and she told them that she wanted an exchange. She wanted to exchange her handbag. She didn't want, you know, she didn't want a refund. And so the SA was very, very nice to her. He took it out, but the first thing he did was ask for her phone number. You know why? They always go in to basically check your purchase history. I think they go in to check to see if you are a VIC or if you just, hey, 1 or 2 time shopper. Basically, that's it. But I guess he was going in to try to pull up her order as well. Guys, the bag that he took out that she wanted to exchange was a Pochette Matisse. And so that caught my attention as well. It was a reverse monogram Pochette Matisse. And so I was just like, oh my God, probably was a glazing issue. And so I was like, I'm going to pay attention, you know, but not pay attention. I just wasn't minding my business. But basically, she had a receipt, guys. This is what gets me. She had a receipt. She had everything out. And so the guy was still nice to her. When it got time, she still gave the phone number. And so he was like, when did you purchase? And she was like, oh no. She was like, I basically bought this from a friend. That was the first thing. She bought it from a friend. And he was like, bought it from a friend. He was like, yes. Basically, I didn't buy it from a friend. This would confuse me. I didn't buy it from a friend. She basically gave it to me. And he was like, oh, okay. He said, well, she would have to come in, you know, and do the exchange for you. And she was like, well, it was gifted to me. You know, I have the receipt right there. And so he was looking over the receipt and she was like, yes, it was gifted from a consignment shop. Okay, that's 3 different stories. I think she didn't want to say that she got it from a consignment shop. Basically, her account, this handbag, and whoever she purchased it just wasn't adding up, okay? So the guy, he was like, if you will hold just a minute, I already know what that means. He's basically going to the bag. He's finna get somebody higher up. That's just it. I already knew this was happening, right? But he took the handbag with him in the box. I'm staring at the handbag, guys. And when I tell you, it looked just like this. I was, honestly, while she was talking, I was looking like all in her box. Guys, the handbag was gorgeous. I didn't see any glazing issues or anything like that, right? So she had someone with her as well. Looked like a young lady with her that was younger, whatever. And she was like, what else are you going to exchange for? She was like, I don't know. She was like, this bag is too big. I want a smaller crossbody handbag. She was like, I'll just go and look around. By the time she turned around to go and look around, the SA came back with someone else, which basically was a supervisor, okay? And they asked her to come to the back or whatever. I didn't think anything of it. I was like, man, did she steal this handbag? You know, I didn't want to think that way. But when they take people to the bag, it's something wrong. Only thing I know, like 5 minutes later, guys, this woman came in. I know my bag is real. I know my bag is real. You know, I got this from a consignment shop. I paid $2,000 for this bag. I want my money back. I want my money back. I'm thinking in my head, you are screaming in here, you want your money back, but you didn't purchase from the boutique. I don't know who you purchased from. She never did say what consignment shop. But my thing is, guys, even if she would have said that she purchased from a consignment shop on Instagram, if she would have said a name, I still would not have disclosed that to you because that is not my business to share. Because honestly, this lady could have been lying. She could have been the consignment shop herself. She could have went and purchased the replica bag and just created a receipt herself. It was just so many loops in her story how she actually got the bag. So a lot of you guys are asking on Instagram, what is the name of the consignment shop? She didn't disclose that information. But again, if she did, I wouldn't share it because I didn't hear the entire story or what happened in the bag. It was just too many holes in her story. That's just not my business, and I'm not going to down a consignment shop if I don't have facts, okay? So again, I don't know if she was a consignment shop person herself, what happened, but she was just screaming, guys. But when I tell you, she had everything. She had the bag. the shopping bag. She had the LV box, which those are easy to get. But this handbag, the reverse monogram pochette Matisse, it looked real. It even had the plastic, everything on it, guys. Everything on it. My story that I want to share with you guys today. Be careful. Please be careful, guys. These consignment shops, you cannot just go by their word. It is your job to go and get that handbag authenticated. Even if they tell you that it's authenticated, it's your job to research to make sure they really got it authenticated, guys. You can't blame that on a consignment shop. If you purchase, because you have the option, you have the choice to go and get it authenticated. That's just it. Point blank, simple. That's it. It's no excuse. Take accountability. It's on you. And for consignment shops that are really out here selling replica handbags, shame on you, because there are really some good consignment shops out here. I know of 3 that are very, very good, and that whenever I'm ready to get my triangle softy, I will go to these 3, okay? The 3 that I know that are very, very good, I will go to those 3. The replica handbags need to stop. I honestly, if that happened to her, she was devastated. $2,000 doesn't just come easy. It doesn't come easy. And if this woman worked hard for her money and she went through a consignment shop, it's her job to get that consignment shop shut down. Because I most definitely will be blasting left and right. So for you guys that are entering this LV community, entering any luxury handbag community, guys, it's a lot of them. Chanel, they're replicating all of them. Even YSL, guys. I even seen a fake Telfar. Even though it's made out of plastic, guys, they are still replicating Telfar bags. They don't care what it is. They'll replicate your toe. They don't care. Your finger, your nose, they don't care. Anything that they can make money off of, they will do it. But again, it's your job to authenticate it, okay? You can't blame anyone else. It's your job. So be careful. If you are entering this LV community, it's a handbag that's discontinued and you want. Visit consignment shops. I hear you can go to Fashion File. And you still have to check Fashion File. Authenticate their bags as well. But be careful. Don't be so quick to purchase. Do your job. Do your research. I stand behind my name. Those China vendors that reach out to me via DM, they send me emails wanting to pay me $3,000, $4,000 via PayPal just to do a video showing the difference between a replica handbag and an authentic handbag. But the thing is, it's still giving them exposure. I'm not doing it. This is my authentic handbag. I will not accept your replica handbag and do a video showing how good of a comparison these handbags are, how similar they are, because that's all they want. They just want me to show how similar the handbags are. And I'm not doing it. Keep your $3,000. I love myself. I love my brand. I love what I have worked hard to build. I'm not doing it. All money isn't good money. So they honestly can quit reaching out to me via DM. I always tell them when they reach out to me via DM, you're going to jail. That's my response. You're going to jail. I don't even know if they're going to go to jail or not. But I'm telling them so they won't do it again. Because me saying no wasn't working. So I just said you're going to jail. That's the only thing that worked. That's the only thing that stopped them. I'm against it. So if you're watching my videos, I am against replica handbags, yes. Again, I am a business owner. I worked hard for everything that I have. I don't want anyone doing it to me, and I'm not going to do it to anyone else. Okay? So guys, again, it is your job. And like I said, we have to start taking accountability for some of the things that are happening, okay, to us. We are. Just like I take accountability for sending my sister out to purchase a handbag. I could have easily waited till I got home to purchase my handbag and check my Speedy 25. So I don't blame her because she's not used to purchasing LV handbags. But that's on me. The Marc Jacobs bucket, that's on me. Okay? So, the consignment shops, I'm not saying that all of them are bad. But you do have some consignment shops out there. They know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. And they need to stop. They need to stop. So, let me know in the comments how you feel. Like I said, I didn't really get all of the information. Like I said, I don't know where this woman really purchased this handbag from. I don't know if she was the scammer herself. Because I've heard about some people actually going in trying to exchange and get a refund for replica handbags that they actually bought from Chinese vendors. So I'm not sure if she was a scammer or if she was scammed. Either way, it was wrong, and this woman left with that replica handbag in her hand. So I'm not sure how they detected that it was replica, but whenever they went to the bag, I guess they compared it. They saw that something was off. And sometimes if you get a closer look at the handbags, you can tell. Okay? Sometimes the China handbags are too shiny. Sometimes, the monogram print is just off. Even the shape, the stitching, maybe, the stitching, the threading is a different color. Okay? They even have the nerve to put made in France, made in Spain, even though it was made in China. Okay? So I'm not saying, guys, again, that all consignment shops are bad. But I am saying purchasing replica handbags, in my opinion, is I mind my business. If you do shop and purchase replica handbags, again, that's on you. I'm not here to say, hey, don't do that. But I am here to say that it is wrong. I can only be me. I only can tell the truth. I personally feel better. I feel better working hard to purchase something that I want, that's worth value. And knowing that I did it the correct way. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? That's why I say when I walk in my closet, I don't just see handbags. I see accomplishments. I see, hey, I got it from the bottom. I worked from the bottom and worked my way up. Hard work, dedication, balance, and discipline. That's how I have what I have. If I can do it, you guys can do the same. Be patient. Wait till your season. Guys, we all have a season. And when it's your time to shine, you will do that. But taking out of someone else's pocket, I don't care if it's $1 billion business, is wrong. Again, let's talk in the comments. If you have ever heard of someone trying to exchange or try to get a refund for replica handbags, let me know in the comments. But I thought that was just like so weird that I was there at that time. Like I said, I wasn't even going to share this information, but you guys need to know what's going on, okay? So until handbag bestie, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye bye.